Updating your billing address on Medium is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your information is current. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Medium website and log in using your credentials. Make sure you're accessing the account for which you want to update the billing address. Step 2. Access your settings. Once logged in, click on your profile picture in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings to enter your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to Billing Information. In the Settings menu, look for the Billing section. Click on it to view your current billing details, including your address. Step 4. Update your address. Find the option to edit your billing address. Enter your new address details in the provided fields, ensuring all information is accurate and complete. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new billing address, look for Save or Update button at the bottom of the page. Click it to save your changes and confirm that your billing address has been successfully updated. Now your billing address is up to date on Medium. Make sure to check it periodically to ensure all your information remains accurate.